Hello everybody. Hi, this is Michelle Litwiller here. It is Saturday, November 24th, 2018, and I just thought I would hop on really quick because I had somebody ask me how I made a Santa frame that we did at our one-day retreat. So I'm going to show you. This is the frame that we gave our attendees at our one-day retreat, and we had their name in the center here. So this is really something cute and simple that you could do. We also thought this was practical because they could reuse this. So let me show you what one looked like with their name on it. This was their retreat bag, and they got all kinds of goodies in here. And by the way, I do have one retreat available. If anyone would like to purchase it, you get a frame. You get one of these frames with your name. So see, we just put their name there, and then they can take this out and actually use it. Or if for some reason they didn't want the Santa, you could flip it over and use it. Or you could even take this off if you really didn't like the Santa one. So these frames are from Ikea. And they were around $1. They're around $1 each, so they're very inexpensive. And the bottom just twists on. So that's where we got the frames. If anyone is interested in this retreat, you get a nameplate, a frame. Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of my last one, so I thought I would plug it in. You get a sheet of 12 by 12 poppy parade to do a scrapbook page. You get the Santa's Workshop Memories and More kit, the whole kit. You get the Santa's Workshop enamel dots that you'll use on your make and takes. You get a Santa bag filled with the full bolt of the green and white baker's twine. You also get this cute little ink pen pillow gift. And in your make and take packet, you get a quarter pack of the Santa's Workshop paper that you'll use a piece of this on your scrapbook page, but the rest is left over. There's also a few extra little pieces in here, and then you get half a pack of the cards and envelopes to do your other make and takes. So you get all of this in the bag. If you're local, it is $45 if you pick it up, and if you aren't, I can mail it to you for $59, I believe, because it has to go in a big box. But anyway, I have one available if anybody would like this. Let me know. And the other ones have sold, but there's one remaining. So message me or comment here if you want. All right, let's make this. So you need a frame to start, and all you're gonna need is a few pieces of cardstock. So this is all I have are these pieces right here. This is Poppy Parade because that's what coordinates with that suite that we gave them. You're going to want some strong adhesive. I'm using Fast Fuse, or the tear and tape. Tear tape works really well too. So these strips are 1 inch, the long ones, 1 inch by 6 3/4. You need 2 of them. And then you need 2 that measure 1 inch by 4 3/4. And then you need a black one that measures that same 1 inch by 4 3/4. And then you're going to need 2 squares. One is in the silver foil and one is a black. I did use the stitch shaped framelits. The 2 smaller ones in that pack. That's going to make your buckle. So, okay. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to run your adhesive or your tear tape down the whole side of this strip. Now, I only did one side. Can you see that? I went all the way down. And then you're going to attach it on the side here. So I want to make sure that there's no white showing on the frame. So I'm just attaching that down, and we're going to do the same on the other side. And we'll flip this frame around here. Right here. It goes right here just like this. And now we're going to take the shorter strips and they're going to go across the top. So I did it this way, so if these aren't even, you can put this across the top and make it even. So if they're a little off, that's why I did it this way. If you're like, why? That's why I did that. There was a reason why I did that. The first one, let me tell you why the first one I made, I did not do it this way and they were off and I had to fix it. So, and then you're going to want the sticky on the bottom so it's not overhanging at all. I guess not. It's going to stick to the top. Sorry. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving with your family or friends. We did. We went to my husband's grandma's house and had dinner with his family. It was very, very nice. Then this one goes right up. So again, the glue's at the bottom of the strip and it goes right along the bottom here. And this does have like it notches out a little bit, but I just pressed it across there and it works just fine. Now for your black strip, I didn't put glue all the way across. I just put it on the two ends, on the right and left. And then this will actually cover up this seam here. So that's kind of nice. So this is just you're gonna overlap that seam down there by just a hair and then stick it on just like that. And then your two squares that you're gonna cut out with your stitch shape framelits in your Big Shot. I don't know, I would say this one is about a little more than, it's barely over an inch, and so this one's probably like about 1.5 inches. If you don't have the framelits, you can just, you should have these because they're awesome, but if you don't, you can just cut squares as well. But the stitching is really cute. Can you see that? Okay, and then we're going to put a dimensional on the bottom here, just on the bottom, because I don't want it to, if you see here, see, I don't want it to stick to the actual frame. So I just put one at the bottom and we're going to kind of center it so that the black piece matches with that. So just like that. And there you have your frame. So this is just something quick and simple that if you have any Christmas pictures, I'm sure we all have lots of Christmas pictures. Print those off or get them out of the album and put them in one of these cute little frames. They would make a really great gift. Super simple and easy and inexpensive. So that's what I had to show you today. Somebody again asked how I made these or if I would show. So I said, sure, I would hop right on and show you. If you missed my Facebook Live last Wednesday, I did a fun pop-up card using that same kit that was in, that we did. So this was the card and then it opens and the little elves like pop up. So you can find that video here down below on the group page or over on my YouTube channel. So there you have it. If you want to get in on Stampin' Up's holiday extravaganza, they have some sales going on, 10% off. You can hop on over to my online store and get some sales. Okay, thank you everybody for joining me for this quick Facebook Live. If you have any questions, let me know. Or if anybody wants my last retreat bag with all the fun goodies and pillow gifts, let me know and I can get that to you. They were a hit, and this probably was my favorite one-day retreat that we've done because the products were just so cute and coordinated. So again, thank you. Have a great night. Bye.